And now we're going to do this revision exercise number 2. So in this one here, we come across the combination of two sequences. It's two in one, two sequences placed as one. So let's look at here with the sequence which is given by zeros, and we have the other one which is what, which is given as the fraction there over 2, you can see there. So the question is, here, as you're studying, you need to check the zeros, which positions are they placed within. So this one is term number 1, this one is term number 3, this one is term number 5, term number 7. So you can see that they are placed in the position of the odd, in the odd one, whereas these ones here are in the even pattern there. So the first question there, we need to determine or write down the term 191 term. We need to write the value of 191. So that one will be the odd one, we understand. So it means the answer there will remain as 0. T191 will stay as 0, won't change, all right? But if we can look at now, let's look at this. They say we need to determine the sum. That's number 2, 2.2.2.2. We need to determine the sum of the first 500 terms. The sum of the first 500 terms. We understand that there will be 250 terms of which are of the odd ones, and there will be 250 for the even ones. So this is what we can do. We have to say the sum of say I'll make this as A, and I'll write the other one as B. A for this one's for A is for the one which is given by zeros there. So the sum formula, remember, it should be n over 2a plus n minus 1 d. So you already have 252 there. Means here you can write as n, it's fine. Even here you can write as n. So 252 equals to there 252 of over 2a, a is 0 there, plus 250 minus 1 d, which is also 0. So won't change anything. Won't change here. We're going to have 125 into here, we're going to have 0. So the answer will just be 0. So the sum of 250, the pattern which is given by zeros, will be 0. What about the other one? N over 2 add 2a plus n minus 1 d sum of 250 over 2 to a. A is what? It's half, negative half, plus 250 minus 1. D there is 1. D is 1 because half my half minus half will be 1. It's the same as half plus half, right? Or 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2, the answer will be 1. So D is 1. Let's see what we're going to get then. Equals to 125 and negative 1 plus 249 times 1, which is 249. So we still have 250 there, which is the answer. What's gonna be the answer? 125 times 248. The answer will be 31,000 there. The answer will be 31,000, meaning that the sum of 500 will then be that 0 plus 31,000, which will stay as 31,000. It won't change. Okay, this was an interesting questions. 2 of them. These are where the interesting ones you can do. So make sure you follow this up. Make sure you listen up until you get there, until you get to understand this. All right, sharp.